The Vivo X300E is shaping up to be one of the most interesting flagship phones of 2026. Unlike the rest of the X300 series, it ditches the familiar circular camera design and adopts a modern square-shaped camera module on the back, giving it a unique look. Despite packing a huge 7,200 mAh battery, Vivo has managed to keep the phone surprisingly slim at just 7.9 millimeters thick, and it also features a premium metal frame. Under the hood, the X300E is expected to be powered by Qualcomm's next-generation Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor. On the front, there's a rumored 6.59-inch display paired with an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner for faster and more secure unlocking. For cameras, Vivo is once again partnering with ZEISS. The phone is expected to feature a triple camera setup consisting of a 50-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto camera for high-quality zoom shots, and an 8-megapixel ultrawide sensor. Selfie lovers also get a powerful 50-megapixel front-facing camera.
The Vivo X300E will be available in 3 colors: orange, white, and black. Pre-orders are officially scheduled to begin in China on July 27, 2026 at 9 a.m. local time. Pricing has not been announced yet, but Vivo is expected to reveal the official price when the pre-sale window opens. With flagship performance, a massive battery, ZEISS cameras, and a fresh new design, the Vivo X300E is already generating plenty of attention ahead of its launch.